Transfer paper was gifted to me by the manufacturer, and as someone who likes to do a bunch of DIY projects, I'm excited to give this a try and make some clothing for my kids with their little favorite cartoons or anything like that. I think this is such a great thing to have whenever you're doing something for the holiday, or if you want to have like this custom little shirt or anything like that. This is such a great thing to have. You can use it for a lot of things like hats, pillows, shirts, little bags. It is so easy to use. This is for dark clothing, so I'm going to be doing it on this little black shirt, and I will take you along to show you the process of it. And it's so easy to use. All you need is an inkjet printer for it to work, and a lot of printers nowadays are inkjet, so a lot of people can use this. Just make sure you double check before you purchase to make sure that you do have an inkjet. That way you don't ruin your printer. So let's go take a look and see how this works, and watch me do a quick DIY project for my kids. This is what the paper actually looks like. This is the back of it as well. And I'm going to be printing it and showing you the process. I like to do DIY projects and like to try different kinds of projects. I highly recommend trying this out to see what you can do with it, and if you have like a classroom or anything like that you want to take a little field trip to, or anything like that, and you need custom shirts or any really activity or holiday or some kind of event where you want them to have matching stuff, this is such a great thing to have, especially for gifting as well. You can make certain things and just do a lot of DIY projects with this. So I highly recommend it for anyone who loves to do them. This is such a great transfer paper to use. So easy, so efficient, and so beautiful. I highly recommend.